we're gonna build a Titan TV man. First, like and subscribe, okay? First, the body, and this. And second one, the head. Put like that. And also this one. This electricity. And another one, this nukes, but it's small. Then put here. Then also his shield is here. Also his arm broke. Then also put his here again. Then also put this. Then also wait, what's full? Okay, my tablet, that's full. I'm using my tablet. Okay, guys. Then also like that. And second, his leg this is leg. Okay. Then also have to put is in here. Okay, guys. Then also another one, this also like that, like another one. That's I got wrong. Then also this is it, okay. Then also put this one. Put in his here, okay, like that. This is it, okay. This Titan TV man. Okay, guys. Then also his head is in the up like that. This one he will put that. And second one, this hand put in his arm like that. Don't mind that, okay? And also his two gun. Okay, guys. So we're gonna put his arm, and the last piece is his head, but the inside it's TV. Okay, guys. Then also like this one, this TV. This correct or not? This correct. Okay, so okay, that. Also gonna put his body. Then look at later. That like that, guys. These are upgraded Titan TV man. Okay, you can subscribe. Bye. And wait a minute. One more thing. And comment and share. Comment only. I forgot. Bye.